Welcome to this final session on post-exam tips and certification maintenance, what to expect after taking the CSTE exam, and how to maintain your credential for long-term value. First, what happens after you complete the exam? You'll receive your preliminary result immediately after submitting. Official confirmation and your certification detail typically arrive within 10 to 15 business days. If you pass, you'll receive a digital badge and a certificate from QAI, Quality Assurance Institute. If you don't pass, don't worry. You can retake the exam after a short waiting period. Focus on the domains with lower scores and use this course as a review tool. Now let's talk about celebrating and leveraging your certification. Add your CSTE credential to LinkedIn, your resume, and email signature. Share the news on social platforms and professional groups to boost visibility. Use your knowledge to contribute more confidently to QA planning, testing, and review discussions. Maintaining your certification is just as important as earning it. Here's how it works. CSTE certification is valid for 3 years. You must earn continuing professional education, CPE credits to maintain it, typically around 40 CPE hours during the certification period. CPE activities can include attending QA conferences and workshops, completing additional training or certifications, participating in webinars or writing QA articles, mentoring junior testers or presenting internally at your company. Track your activities and submit documentation during your renewal window. QAI will review your application and issue a renewal confirmation if everything is in order. Tips for staying current in your QA career. Follow QA thought leaders on LinkedIn or YouTube. Subscribe to newsletters like Sticky Minds or Ministry of Testing. Experiment with emerging tools like AI-powered testing platforms. Stay familiar with testing standards like ISO, ISTQB, and OWASP. Lastly, reflect on your learning. You've covered over 40 detailed sessions, explored every angle of testing, and you're now equipped with the skills, mindset, and credentials to thrive as a software tester. To summarize, CSTE results arrive quickly, and certification lasts for 3 years. Share your success and apply your learning professionally. Earn CPE credits to maintain your certification status. Stay active in the QA community and continue growing. Thank you for joining this course, and congratulations again on your journey toward becoming a certified software tester.